Hi everyone, I'm Scott from Sharky's Floral and Greenhouses, and what a week it's been. So we want to show you a little bit of behind the scenes and what we do for a living and the challenges and the joys of having greenhouses. And well, I got a partner here today. I got Zoe. She's always helping me. Well, this was one of our challenges this week, and it was getting water. And you know, when you have hundreds of thousands of plants in your greenhouse, they need to be watered, and I've just been struggling getting good water. We have a sand point that's pounded down, and we're down about 10 feet, and I've got about 4 feet of water, and but it's been burping, so I had to put my plumber hat on, and I think we're pretty good, and we've got pretty good water. I'm okay with it. It's not perfect, but, and then we had an electrical issue. Our big green mixer, and Amy had showed you a video on when we were filling flats and doing pots up, and she showed you the big green mixer in one of our other videos. Well, that went down, and I thought it was a switch, so I had to put my electrician hat on and play around with 240 volts, and that's kind of scary to me, but you know, that's just part of what we do, and there's always some sort of challenge. There's always something that we have to fix around here. And we the poly, the plastic, we noticed that there was one wall that had kind of come out, and there was cold air was coming in, so I had to change hats again, and we had to get that fixed right away because it's cold outside. It's nice in here because we have, you know, a million BTUs running for our greenhouses, but you got to keep that cold outside and the heat inside, so that was something we had to address right away. So there's always a challenge in what we do, and it's kind of fun. I'm so glad that you know, my dad taught me to be a do-it-yourselfer, and that, you know, as a little kid, I didn't necessarily appreciate having to stand right next to him and hand him the tools, but I'm glad now that I'm able to use those skills, and that there's a lot of things that I can do, and thanks, Dad. So, but today we're going to be looking at some of the fun stuff, and it's almost like Christmas for us because we had a great big shipment of plants that came in, and we're going to be taking a look at that next. So we had the excitement of getting new shipments of flowers in, and that was a challenge itself because it came in on a great big pallet, and we've never had flowers come in on a pallet. So, and it was not a standard size pallet, so I had the skid steer all ready to roll and grab it and come through our big doors, and it was too wide. So we had to hurry up and unbox everything, get it inside. Now it was a nice day out, so it wasn't like it was 5 degrees out. It wasn't too bad, but look at these pretty flowers. So we've got all kinds of variations of flowers and trailing plants and upright, and we get to have the fun part of being greenhouse growers and seeing what we actually ordered. And because we order usually like right after the season, you know, of the previous season, so everything was ordered by like August and September, and now here we are in March, and we're just like, oh yeah, we did order that, oh yeah, we were getting this. So it's kind of fun to see what we ordered last year. So this is a tray of calibrachoas, and calibrachoas they have that smaller, almost looks like a mini petunia, and a lot of people refer to them as million bells. Well, which is a name brand, that's fine, but they're calibrachoas is the actual plant, and these are a triple plug. So it has a big plug with 3 different flowers in it, 3 different plants of the calibrachoas. Is all the same, that they're the same plant. And so we'll go through and we'll pop these into containers. We'll pop them into mostly hanging baskets for us, but it is kind of neat that it's a triple plug. Look how fun some of these colors are. And like this is a double. It almost has that ruffled. Look at these. So these are real fun. This is going to be a lot of fun to go through and plant up and to see what we can come up with. Plant up and to see what we can come up with. So this is another tray, and it has a whole mix. So there are calibrachoas. I see there's verbena in there. I'm not sure what else. There's actually 3 different plants in here. There's 3 different plants in one plug, and so these are your combo planters, your hanging basket. That's what this is. I wish you could smell. I wish we had smell-o-vision. I wish you could smell this. This is citronella. So citronella is, you know, if you have those citronella candles at home that smell really good and they repel the mosquitoes, this is the actual plant that is derived from. This is the citronella plant. They get real big. We sell a lot of citronella because we're in an area that has a lot of mosquitoes. You know, we're in the north woods of Wisconsin. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of lakes around us, ponds, rivers, you know, so a lot of water. So yeah, we do have a lot of mosquitoes that come out at night. Citronella is a great plant to have on your deck or your patio or around your pool or your hot tub because it will naturally help repel the mosquitoes, and it smells fabulous. So it's not a flowering, it's just a foliage. It's actually in the geranium family. It's a scented geranium, and so it doesn't get the flower, but it does get really big, and it helps to keep away the mosquitoes. So we have all kinds of potato vine, also known as Ipomoea, and look at all the different variations. I love this tricolor potato vine, and again, you know, when you're looking at your plants and all your plant material at your local garden center, utilize those tags, because even with potato vine, there's such a big variation. You know, this is the typical old school green potato vine where it trails way down and might get 5-6 feet in length. And this is also a potato vine, but it's kind of short, a little bit shorter, and it's more mounding. Now they look beautiful together. We do a lot of hanging baskets with mixed potato vine, and it just turns out fabulous. But you do want to be aware that some of this stuff is different. You know, where this tricolor, which is gorgeous, it has almost like a little pink variation in the leaves along with the green, but it's much more mounding. It's not this real long like this old school potato vine. So again, look at those tags. They're there for a reason, and utilize that information. I love this black, the blackie version of it, but we have what, 4, 5, 6 different variations of just potato vine, and they're a lot of fun, and they sure turn out nice. So it's going to be a big week for us, lots to do and a lot of planting to do, but it's fun. It's fun work. You know, we really get to enjoy what we do and to see the outcome of it, and to see our customers come in and really enjoy putting together of containers and hanging baskets, and to see what, you know, and see their smile and they enjoy what we do. So big week for us. We're going to get a lot done, and be sure to give us a thumbs up, you know, on our videos. That really helps us. So be sure to give us a thumbs up, give us a like, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You know, that absolutely does help us out, and gives us, you know, gets our word out and our videos out to more and more people to watch our how-to videos. So I hope you're enjoying taking a little walk with us behind the scenes and seeing what our greenhouses are and what it's like to have greenhouses. And so be sure to subscribe to our channel, and be sure to go to our beatyourneighbor.com website. So there's a lot of information there, also a lot of how-to videos, and we have, of course, our Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer. We're a small family business, and we would absolutely love for you to support us and make us your plant food. And so you can find that all out at beatyourneighbor.com. Thanks for watching.